Okay, now let's look at this exam style question. We have a swimming pool with the dimensions given, and this swimming pool is empty, but we've been given some restrictions. The swimming pool is filled with water at a rate of 5 liters per second. That means that every second we can pour 5 liters of water into the swimming pool at that rate. Every second, 5 liters of water. And Jeremy have 10 hours, and the question is, will 10 hours be enough to really fill this swimming pool? And also 1 meter cube is the same as 1,000 liters. So we start by first finding the volume of the swimming pool. To find volume, we need to find the cross section. This is the cross section. This is the cross section. So I divide the cross section into distinct shapes. First, 1 times 10 is 10 meters squared. Now that's a trapezium. Let's get the dimensions right. So the dimensions are 1 meter on this side, 3 meters, as you can see. But this side is 5 meters because 15 minus 10 gives me that. So the area of the trapezium using a plus b times by height divided by 2 also gives us 10 meters square. So total cross section is equal to 20 meters square. 20 meters square. Now, we are supposed to work out the volume. The length is 10. So volume now gives us 200 meter cube. 200 meter cube. Now, let us try to convert 200 meter cube into liters. If 1 meter cube is 1,000 liters, 2 meter cube will be 2,000, 3 meter cube 3,000, and so on. So if it is 200, we multiply 200 by 1,000, and 200 meter cube gives us 200,000 liters. 200 meter cube is 200,000 liters. That means that this swimming pool can take 200,000 liters. Now at this point, there are different ways you could work this out. You can decide to see how long will it take to fill the pool with 200 liters of water, and you compare the time with 10 hours. That's another way of doing that. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use the rate 5 liters per second. Every second I can pour in 5 liters. How many seconds will it take to pour 200,000 liters? You divide 200,000 by 5. So that means that it will take me 40,000 seconds to completely fill the pool. 40,000 seconds. So now let's convert 10 hours into seconds and compare if it is more or less than 40,000 seconds. And hours to minutes is times by 60. Minutes to second times by 60. So we're going to times 10 by 3,600. And 10 hours will equal 36,000. And since 36,000 is less than 4,000, we can say that we cannot fill the pool completely in 10 hours because we need 40,000, but the hours given is only up to 36,000 seconds. And therefore, 36,000 seconds is not enough to fill the pool. So the answer is no. Jeremy cannot fully fill the swimming pool in 10 hours. That brings us to the end of lesson 2. I hope you've enjoyed it, and please share with your friends, subscribe, and hit the notification button.